How to fix TikTok likes problems. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok likes problems. So all you need to do is go to your TikTok, click on profile. So there is two reasons why this can happen. The first one is maybe your TikTok account is private. All you need to do to check that is click on those three buttons up there and click on setting and privacy. Now click on the second options, which is privacy, and click off private account. So this is the first one. The second is maybe you turned off the likes. So all you need to do is click on those three buttons up there and click on setting and privacy. Scroll down and click on push notifications. Now click on turn on likes. Now if doesn't help, all you need to do is click on report a problem. Scroll down again and click on follow, likes, and comments. Click on likes, click on other and take a screenshot of your problem. Click need more help and send Team TikTok your screenshot with your feedback and click on report. Your problem will be resolved at least 24 hours. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.